join together and to know what is the economy and the Indology. I just give a brief introduction of the backdrop or the concept of this Indology, where the background is to be given by me, being the teacher of the commerce and the supervisor of Dr. Rajendra Kapil, who has done PhD thesis with me. I can show the picture of this. It is a thesis he has completed with my supervision. I am not using the word under supervision. Impact of Indology on business strategies and empirical study. He has done very well. Now, before this, firstly, let us see what is the Indology and what is the background or the backdrop of it. It is simply, we know very well that it is an ideological vision. It is regulation of human life and business environment. Sarve bhavantu sukhina. Mean to say we have to live in a better way so that we can get the directions from the others. From others, maybe our senior, maybe junior, maybe our parents, maybe our grandparents. In this way, the Indology provides the directional navigation to the human being for smooth journey of the life, or you can say these are known as nowadays GPS of the modern era. Moreover, just I am saying with it, the term Indology coined by Sir William Jones in the era of the 1746 to 1794, but the term Indology, which was very much popularized and disseminated by Swami Vivekananda ji, because of he has represented India and Hinduism at the Parliament of the World Religion, September 9, 1893. And he has elaborated each and everything. What is the relevance of the Hindu? What is the relevance of Hinduism? And what is the present situation of the India? And what is the ancestral properties of India? He has represented each and everything in a proper manner. That's why this term was very much popularized by him, and that credit goes to Swami Vivekananda ji. Now the Indology concept, it has been evolved from the Vedic era. Under this concept, we study four elements: language, culture, environment, and history. Today we are here to enjoy this Indological meet. I use this word, Varta, colloquium, because there is no any lecture, no any speech, no any other kind of the discussion, just to convey one-to-one discussion, and so that we can discourse, we can do discourse analysis with these words. Language, we can understand the language from one to another. एक दूसरे के प्रति हम कौन सी भाषा प्रयोग करते हैं, हम एक दूसरे के प्रति कितना जानते हैं. कल्चर, संस्कृति के बारे में हम जानेंगे. We must know different cultures of different nations so that we can understand what they are doing and what are their benefits and what are their demerits. If we are not able to understand them, then we are not able to understand their culture. And what is the environment? What kind of the environment, in which environment we are prevailing? And that environment can be understood by us when we see the historical background of anyone. If I am just using this particular symbol, the first finger is attached with my thumb. It means to say everything is okay in India, but in case of Japan, there is a language difference, language barrier. It means to say that Japan language or the Japan culture is saying this way, that is a symbol of begging. भीख मांगने के लिए यदि मान लीजिए कोई इशारा करना, हम यहाँ हाथ फैलाते हैं, वहां ये सिंबल दिया जाता है. What is this? That is the momentum of the culture and their environment. But where we should know, after reading the history, historical background of that nation, then we can understand what is that. And then I will just take 5 minutes with these words. If I'm saying Indology and business, because of, if we see the Indology and business, the relevance in past, Guru Nanak Dev Ji has postulated 3-point formula, 3-point principle, you can say. Naam Japo, devotion to God, mean to say you have to attach yourself with the God. Kirit Karo, do your actions, active participation in your profession. आप जो काम करने जा रहे हैं उसको करते रहिए आप. जैसे आपने गीता में भी सुना होगा, कर्म करते रहें, फल की इच्छा मत करें. कर्म नहीं करेंगे, फल नहीं मिलेगा. It is 100% true. कर्म करेंगे फल मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, that is not sure. But Guru Nanak Dev Ji said, Kirat karo. Mean to say you have to do your activities. Don't wait for that kind of the point you will receive after that. What does that go? Sharing of profit. Profit sharing nowadays it is also going on. Every company is giving the dividend to the shareholders. These three principles were given under the heading of the Indology by Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Moreover, Dashont, the word is very much common in Haryana and nearby areas. Daswa Hissa, mean to say 2.5% to 10% donation is to be given to those people who are living with us. And this term is coined with the corporate social responsibility nowadays. हर एक कंपनी को एक आदेश दिया जाता है कि आपने अपना जितना प्रॉफिट कमाते हैं उसका कुछ हिस्सा आप यहाँ पर लगाइए. It means to say what? It is the concept of the Indology that we have to donate maximum. Another principle of the economics was given Acharya Chanakya. Some of the students or the scholars from economics background are also attached with this event. Arthashastra based on fair trade practices. Niti Shastra resembles ethical values in the administration. It means to say these two epics which were propounded by Acharya Chanakya, he said that we must have to do all the ethical value, ethical tradition are to be adopted where we are. Because of Swami Vivekananda ji and Mahatma Gandhi ji, they have stressed upon these ethical trade practices many times. And that's why we are here under this event having the Indological Institute. It creates good kind of point or the importance or prominence at this level. कोविड-19 के दौरान यदि ये चीजें आ रही हैं और इंडोलॉजी कॉन्सेप्ट को यदि हम आगे लाना चाहते हैं तो we must get together and we have to sit together and we have to explore the ideas, explore the opinion with the others so that we came to know what is the relevance of the Indology in this situation. Now, another point, as I said that I will take just 5 minutes and these my 5 minutes are completed. Before concluding this event, I invite you all, please speak at point of time as and when you are invited by Madam Beena O'Brien. With these words, I thanks again and I welcome you again, all of us and all of the members of this family as well as is a part of this meet. With these words, thank you very much. Thank you all. Professor Beena O'Brien, I hand over this mic to you, please. Please continue. Professor Beena O'Brien.
Am I audible to everybody?
Yeah, madam. Audible.
Thank you very much, Dr. Kundu. It was very interesting to know the concepts of ideology and how they are connected to our lives even today. The concept which is so old as you have connected it to Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Chanakya, that ethical trade practices were even done in those days. So I think it's very relevant today too. Thank you very much for that information. With that, we would like to move forward to introducing our team of International Indology Education Institute. To begin with, I would call upon Dr. Rishi Raj Sharma, who is our chief patron. Dr. Rishi Raj Sharma, could you please introduce yourselves to the panel?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Namaskar, mera sabko. And myself, Rishi Raj Sharma. I am basically working with Guru Nanak Dev University as a professor in the area of marketing and also serving in the capacity of dean of one of the campuses of Guru Nanak Dev University, which is there at Gurdaspur. And presently, my research, arena consists of marketing, advertising, and Vedic consciousness. So I'm working with the Vedic management and all. So I am having almost 21 years of experience with me, and I have recently I've got a publication with Emerald House, That was the book on sustainability marketing. And other than that, I'm having more than 55 publications in the international domain, of which 35 are registered with Scoopers. And I have already guided 6 PhDs and 10 students. They are working in different areas of marketing management and other areas of management domain under my guidance. So almost 16 PhDs, I am like 6 have been done and 10 they are working with that. And I have also got 2 books published, one in the area of sustainability marketing and other in the area of ethical dimensions in advertising. So this was my brief introduction to all the members who are present here. And thank you, Dr. Binaji, for inviting me and giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Rishi Raj Sharma. Actually, I should have introduced myself earlier. I'm Bina Oberoi. I have been in the education department for the past 25, 30 years. And I've done my education from Punjab University. I started my career as a professor, but couldn't continue it due to circumstances. So moving on with that, let me move on to the next speaker. That will be Dr. DP Singh, our chief advisor. Dr. DP Singh? Has Dr. DP Singh joined us?
Yeah, madam.
I don't think so. I'm afraid Dr. DP Singh has not joined us. He's in UK, so probably he's not been able to join us for his own reasons. We'll move on to the next speaker, is Dr. Sandeep Kautish, who is the regional director with us from East or West Asia region. Dr. Sandeep Kautish, have you joined in?
Yes, Dr. Bina, I'm here only.
Okay, sir, please introduce yourself.
Thank you, Bina ma'am, for introducing me. This is the very first meeting I'm joining this organization with a very happy and holy cause. Myself, Dr. Sandeep Kautish. I'm working as a professor and dean of academics with LBF campus, Kathmandu, Nepal. We are working under collaboration with Asia Pacific University, Malaysia. I have been in Kathmandu since last 3 years. So when I had a discussion with Kapil sir about this organization and what pedagogy we are going to follow. So I'm not from this domain, to be very honest. I'm basically an IT professor. I have around 17 years experience of teaching IT and computer courses. Altogether, I have 50 plus publications, including publications with Springer and Emerald, with Elsevier. I have done 12 books with the leading publishers like Wiley, Elsevier, Springer, IGA Global. My responsibility for towards this organization as a convener, as a regional director, will be to bringing out people from Middle East or maybe the South Asia, East South Asia, especially from Malaysia, Nepal, Kathmandu, to join this organization and to as a convener has Indian ideology system. I will try to devote full efforts towards the objective. I'm looking forward to receive your kind responses, guidance time to time, so that we can move ahead. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Dr. Sandeep Kautish. We will be needing all the kind of help that can be given to make this organization a bigger and a more reputed internationally also.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Moving on to the next regional director from Surat is Dr. Hemant Balsara. Dr. Hemant Balsara, are you present?
Yes.
Yes, right. I can see you, sir. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, all of you. I'm Dr. Hemant Balsara. I'm basically an engineer, MBA, FDPM from IIM Ahmedabad and PhD in management. I'm just now associate professor at a very reputed National Institute of Technology, Surat, NIT Surat. I have been a head of the department also for almost 4 years in NIT Surat. I'm having more than 20 years of experience. I completed 13 PhD under my supervision, and 5 more are going on. I'm having more than 90 research publications, including 60 journal papers, and in that even around 25 Scopus Index papers are also there. I delivered more than 100 expert lectures, including keynote speeches all over the world. I completed 2 projects also. Um, the editorial board member and reviewer of more than 70, 80 journals of repute from Imral, elsewhere, and all that. I travel around 20 countries, like including reputed country like USA, Finland, uh, Dubai, Singapore, Malaysia, South Africa, UK, France, Italy. That's all.
Thank you very much. International spreading wings and expanding internationally is really going to help this institution.
Madam, Dr. DP Singh is with us.
Oh, Dr. DP Singh, welcome. Could you please join us right now and introduce yourself as our chief advisor? Dr. DP Singh? Well, I don't think.
Yes, he is here, Dr. DP Singh.
I think he needs to open his mic out. Please unmute yourself, Dr. DP Singh. Hello, Dr. DP Singh, can you hear me? Okay, I think we'll move ahead, and then when he's a little comfortable, we can. Is that okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So we move on to Dr. Aurobindo Bhandari, who is the regional director from Bengaluru. Dr. Aurobindo Bhandari, are you in? I guess.
Yeah, ma'am, are you able to hear me?
Oh, yes. Welcome, sir. Kindly introduce yourself. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you. Yeah, ma'am, thank you so much for giving this opportunity. So good afternoon to all of you. This is Dr. Aurobindo Bhandari from, presently I'm working as an associate professor in Presidency University, Bangalore in the area of strategic management. My background, I basically belongs to industry. I give in the service almost more than 16 years to the various domain of Dr. Reddy's. I was basically in Hyderabad Dr. Reddy's, so it was the responsibility. It was in the area of strategy application and the follow-up. After completing the 16 years in Dr. Reddy's, then I moved to the academics. And before moving this to the academics, I published some of the articles in very reputed in the Super Index journal. Though the number is not too high, like 60 or 70, but almost 20 article it is there. I having a very good book. I think many of you might be knowing about this. And this book name is Strategic Management: A Conceptual Framework. It has been published from McGraw-Hill, and it is cited by MIT also. Okay, and one of the best book in cases of the strategic management. Yes, presently there is a almost 3-4 PhD people. They are pursuing the PhD under my guidance. And as a regional director, my responsibility, I'll be giving a more focus on the visibility of this particular organizations, because just now, maybe this organizations is existing for many years, but my responsibility, it will be bringing the people to this particular domain. And so I'll be giving a more focus on visibility of these particular organizations. And it may be in the form of maybe in a platform where many research scholar or PhD people, they want to pursue the PhD, they will be coming, they'll be doing the research and all those things. So in the form of maybe the some of the training program for them. But ultimately, objective, whether it is a training program or it is a collaboration, my objective it will be the giving the visibility. Until or unless your brand is not visible, then most probably the customer don't want to purchase the products. That is the very, very simple concept in cases for the marketing. So I believe this particular thing. So I'll be bringing many scholars, many people or academic or industry people who want to join with us. So that will be the prime focus. Thank you very much for giving this particular opportunity to me. Have a good day to all of you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Aurobindo Bhandari, for your inputs and for the help that you will be giving to the Institute
Thank you so much.
as a regional director from Bangalore. We move on to Dr. Neelam Tyagi, who is from Pune, the regional director from Pune. Dr. Neelam Tyagi, are you in? Dr. Neelam Tyagi? I don't think Dr. Neelam Tyagi has joined the meeting. So we'll move on to Dr. DP Singh. Can you hear me?
Mute, madam, on the mic. Dr. DP Singh, please unmute your mic.
Dr.
Yeah.
DP Singh, please unmute your mic, which is at the bottom of your screen. The first icon at the bottom of your screen. Please unmute your mic so that we can hear you.
Unmuted, madam.
All right. Dr. DP Singh, can you hear me? It's not responding.
Not audible. Not audible.
Yeah, it's not audible and not responding. So we'll move on to Dr. Venkatesh Babu from Karnataka, who is the regional director from Karnataka. Can Dr. Venkatesh Babu please introduce himself? Dr. Venkatesh Babu has. Can you hear me? No. All right, we'll move on to Dr. Sanjay Behel, who is from Jalandhar, our regional director from Jalandhar. Sanjay Behel, yes, I can see you.
Yes, ma'am, I am over here. Yeah.
Please.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's a profound privilege and a matter of great pride that Kapil sir has initiated this forum. And of course, I knew Rishi Raj Sharma ji, but it has been a, seeing each other face, it has been the first time. I have.
Namaskar ji, Behel sahab, namaskar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I have been a student from last 34 years into this field of management and commerce, economy, and we have seen from 1988 till today. Yes, one time we were actual students sitting on the benches, and now we are still the students, propagating the students who are sitting on the benches. So in these 34 years, learning have been a great journey for particularly me, and yes, with the blessings of elders like Kapil ji and like one Balbir Singh ji, he was the NITCON president, and then Hundal Saab is there with the GNDU, with BC Sharma is there in the Jammu University, and many more people from the various universities who have been pushing me into the writing papers, books, and even guiding students. But yes, every day it has been a challenge, and even today it has been a challenge for us, taking online classes and then open book system exams, preparing the internal and external, along with that admission scenario. But one thing is there, that the thing which Dr. Surinder ji was putting across regarding the Indology, that is the Indian ethics and Indian ethos. It has been a wonderful period. People have said pains were there and agony was there during this COVID period, but the people who had good niyat and who were believing in the Indian ethos and who were being directed by Gita, Quran, Ramayana and Bible, and even Guru Granth Sahib Ji. I mean, that is the real management that is fits in even in marketing, HR, your digital world. So, basically, we may be specialist in management, marketing, or nowadays we call it as the data analytic and all that. But being a human being, producing a citizen is very much important. I am from Pyramid College of Business and Technology. So I'll just share a few slides with you, if you permit. I hope. Can I?
Yes, sir. Why not? Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. This is a
Yes, share, please, sir.
Can you all see?
No, try.
Okay. This is Pyramid College of Business and Technology. This is in Fagwada, and we have the course.
Excuse me, sir.
It's not visible, sir. Your whatever you want to show us, it's not visible.
It is
Try
not
again,
visible.
sir, please.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. No problem. I think we have not shared properly. Okay. Let me see. Now it is visible?
Yes,
Now it
now
is visible?
it's coming on, sir. Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Now visible,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
Now it is going on. Now visible,
With
sir.
everybody's blessing, I'm the director with the Pyramid College of Business and Technology. I'll not take more than 2 minutes. I'll just go very quickly. And ours is a college which was earlier known as GNA IMT, but now 2016 onwards we have taken over. We are affiliated with PTU and approved by the AICT. And our main focus is on the pathway programs that 2 years you can do over with us. You can study with us, and we can transfer you to the University of Fraser Valley or to the University of Canada West, the 2+2 pathway programs. And with a minimum, we can save also. And this is what we have got the I'll just, yeah. So we are into, making the students as the real torch barriers for their better tomorrows. And of course, we are with all your blessings, with many inputs, we have been into the making students aware regarding into the cultural aspects, into the sports aspect, because what we believe that once they are taking care about themselves, they should be worthy of getting into the getting into the society so that they can do better and they can do best. And for that we have also started with IIC center in our incubation and all that, for which Kapil sir have been very kind enough to guide us. Of course, now we will be asking Rishi ji to put across, and people from the other ends will get involved with it. And what I believe, this is a beginning, and with all collaboration, with all hand holding with everybody, we can go a great distance. Thank you, Bina ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Bahal. That was very interesting. And
Bina
as you
ma'am,
said, that we are going to be students all our lives. That is true. The fun of being a student is the best thing in life, I think.
Bina ma'am,
DP Singh, Dr. DP Singh, welcome. We've been waiting for you for a long time.
Bina ma'am, so nice to see you again after a very long time.
I want to see you too. If you could put on your camera, so we would see you too.
It's early morning here, so I'm not
Okay.
very.
All right, it's okay.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir, you're absolutely audible, and we would like you to introduce yourself to everybody who's present here. I'm so happy to see you too.
I'm too very happy sitting at a long distance.
Right, sir.
Friends, my name is Dr. DP Singh. I have been for a very long time in industry and again in education. For the past, say about 12 years, I have been the director of various colleges and presently the director of Universal Group of Institutions near Chandigarh. And for last 3-4 months, I have been in Germany, and this week I have moved to UK. And the end of this month, I'll be back in Chandigarh. And the concept of Indology, which Dr. Rajinder Kapil has been propagating, I really see a lot of scope of working on that because my experience with the Germany for the past 3 months has been that there are about 100 countries, people speaking 100 types of languages, all live there, but they have to follow the rule of the country and they have to learn German. So we should have something in commonality. That means everybody follows those things. We can pursue our individual likings and religions and everything social, but as a nation, we must follow certain common rules and common languages. I will be sharing all these things in detail when I come back. I'm making notes on this, and I'll be very happy to be associated with this elite group and try to contribute whatever is possible with me. Thank you very much. Thank you for giving me again and again an opportunity to speak. Somehow it was not working. Now it has been set right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. DP Singh, our Chief Advisor. We hope to keep on taking good advice from you all the time.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, we move on to our next Regional Director from Bathinda, Dr. R.K. Uppal. Is Dr. R.K. Uppal present? I'll have to check. No. No. Okay.
Not available.
Sorry. Yeah. So we move on to the to our Dr. Virender Singh, our Regional Director from Haridwar. Dr. Virender Singh. Okay. So move on to Dr. Mohinder Kumar. Dr. Mohinder Kumar. Dr. Sudhir Baveja from Chandigarh.
Yes, namaskar.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon and Jai Hind. First of all, I mean, amongst the galaxy of management professors and management gurus, I am the odd man in. So, but what really prompted me to continue is 2-3 things which I wish to. I am neither from management nor I am having any connections with Indology, but I have got deep roots within the two spheres. And another connection with which I am here, probably courtesy Professor Kapil, I can proudly say he had been my student. Did a very small course with me, certificate course in Vivekanand Studies from Punjab University. And I happened to be the founder of that. That was the first character building and value oriented course started by Punjab University. And I was also coordinator of interdisciplinary Center for Swami Vivekananda Studies, and I am also coordinator of Department of Philosophy, University School of Open Learning. The thing is, for the last 20 years or so, I have been blessed by a kind of association with the Swami Vivekananda. That really changed my life, the course of my life. Although I have been teaching management for the last, not exactly management, but to be precise, because that was my area of interest, it was advertising and branding. For the last 9 years, I did some guest faculty in Punjab University, UIMS for 5-7 years, taught retail management, visual merchandising, office organization. And ever since I got in kind of under the blessings of Swami Vivekananda, I really found a kind of an exemplary leadership in him. So all my areas, all my expertise shifted to leadership. And now, and since I am from the discipline of philosophy, and Indian philosophy had been my forte, so what I did now, I really feel leadership is my domain, value-based leadership, servant leadership, ethical leadership. These are the areas where I'm working, and I'm also currently working on a workshop-based module for an MBA course in a very nearby university. It's a 3-month course on leadership only. So my emphasis is, and that's my personal objective also, to really bring in what is lost. We have lost values, we have lost character, we have lost the idea of service in leadership. That I really wish to really bring it back. And I'm also working on Swami Vivekananda's leadership journey book, which I am coming up with another 6 months to 1 year. Another one is his leadership doctrine, and probably I'm working on his paradigm also. He has come up with a paradigm which is called servant. Normally Greenleaf gave that idea of servant leadership. He has been, he expired much before than even the Greenleaf was born. He expired in 1902, but from 1893, from Chicago to 1902, he really spoke a lot about leadership, and he was an exemplary leader. So I really thought that probably when people are talking about leadership, the maximum thing which I miss is nobody is talking about Swami Vivekananda as a great exemplary servant leadership. He really went a step ahead, added that domain of spiritual. So spiritual servant leadership, that's the paradigm I'm working upon. And I believe thanks a lot to Rajendra sir, and thanks a lot to all of you. Beenaji, your disarming smile kept me sitting, and the way you were engaging people, that really kept me I thought otherwise I wasn't in that position to really speak like that big. But I am very happy to be a part of today's proceedings also, and also be equally happy to be associated with any other program which you really take up. My basic objective is today, we need leaders, not just leaders, but we need spiritual servant leaders driven by all those. Indology is what we call from Indian origin. So Indian philosophy have always been practically value-oriented, change-driven. So that should be imbued in the management and leadership domain also. That's the paradigm I'm working upon, and I'll be very happy to be associated with your programs. All the best to the event, and all the best to you. Thanks for the opportunity to share my ideas. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sudhir Baweja. I think you're very charged, and it is true that everything in philosophy and management is all present there in our scriptures in the Vedas. It's just that we need to get it out and begin working on that. I just want to know if Dr. Neelam Tyagi is in. It doesn't seem so. All right. I think anybody else who wants to just share something. I think someone did put up your hand. One of you did put up your hands, please, if you wish to speak something right now. Anybody?
Dean Legal,
Yes,
madam.
yes, I think he put up his hands many times. Dean Legal,
Unmute कीजिए भाई साहब.
you wish to say something?
Dean जी, unmute कीजिए Dean. Not audible.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
audible.
Veena ma'am, can you listen me?
Yes, I can hear you, sir. आप बोलिए.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Professor Dr. V.K. Sharma. I am a Dean Faculty of Legal Study, Motherhood University, Roorkee, Uttarakhand. It is very great pleasure to me to associate by Dr. Kapil sir and also congratulate to Dr. Surinder Singh, organizer of this international ideology and Indian economics meets. I am basically belong to the law field. So total my length of experience in the academics in the 18-year and 25-year experience in the administration. I was retired from the Government of India in Ministry of Home Affairs in the legal departments. It is a very great opportunity provided by Dr. Rajendra Kapil sir to me join us with your legal luminary, educationist, industrialist, likely in Dr. D.P. Singh or as well as Veena ma'am, Dr. Surinder Singh ji, or as well as in the international fraternity of Kathmandu, Dr. D.P. Singh presently at London. So I am very happy to associate with your new organization, join here and express my view, the ideology and the Indian economics, but my expertise in the legal field. So,
Legal frame is always required, sir.
Yeah. Veena ma'am, I am frankly speaking to, I am a Indian-based research scholar or as well as a supervisor of the various student in the LLM or in the PhD field. I am personally feel that the large number of lacuna or shortcoming of arises in the present scenario of the new education policy in India in the 2020. The legal educational institutional are the firstly institutional capacity, quality, safety and student interest. Second thing, the every student is a researcher by the nature, taking up the research to judge, to expect them to create the impact is the scientifically research. I am frankly speaking, first thing a student was enrolled in an appropriate university for the research. So large number of difficulty arises. Yeah, you may ask the influence of the individual internal or external problem are arising. For example, a student are enrolled in the year 2010, but a appropriate university has not provided the external examiner in the large number of reasons. In the external examiner are left out from the university, from outside in any another to join any another university in India or any other place. It is a very difficulty facing by the students.
Right, sir. We really need to look at the welfare of the students and also their rights, what their rights are.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you very much, Kapil sir.
Everybody has been talking about Kapil sir, and Kapil sir hasn't said anything. So I would want Kapil sir to say 2 words to us. He just keeps quiet. Kapil sir, please. Yes, Professor. You have to unmute yourself, sir. Dr. Kundu, you wish to speak something?
Yeah, madam. Dr. Kapil, yes.
Yeah, Dr. Kapil.
Dr. Kapil, unmute कीजिए पहले.
Yeah. Sir.
Audible.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for all my colleagues and those from far and wide. People have been here, and continuously I was in the position to invite many people by telephoning them, because these days physical going somewhere it's not possible, and whatever we could do is that we could meet them on telephone and talking to them so many things on telephone itself. And it was my endeavor to start something which will teach certain human values to the generations to come. The present scenario in colleges and universities, you have seen that ethics are being given a back seat. But whereas when I started studying, I went to Chaudhary Devilal University. I met so many dignitaries there, and I was in a position, I was astonished to see that none of the persons is talking about religious studies in Chaudhary Devilal University. Then I contacted Dr. Sultan Singh and Dr. Kundu. When I came to Dr. Kundu, he said, no, Kapil, it's not the position like this. People are very much interested in these studies. Only thing is the student who has to take up this area has not as yet approached. So then I told him, sir, I have been in this area for the last 10 years and I have studied all, I must tell you that Gita, Mahabharata, Ramayana, even Dasam's Granth, and Indonesia, Ramayana, and so many other things. When I went to Punjab University Library at Hoshiarpur, we find that about 2 lakh books on Indology were available, including those original when John, I'm forgetting the name, when St. William Jones came here along with five Indologists, and the original works which they have carried out while in India, and they have translated the Indian scriptures. Those are available in Hoshiarpur University of Punjab University, Sadhu Ashram. And if anybody wants to have a wider view of the Indology, they must visit Hoshiarpur University. There is another center, I'll tell you, in Chandigarh, DAV College Sector 11, Sector 10. There is a special section, Indology Library, that is also available in the heart of the city. So these are certain things, and there are certain 77 Indology centers working in the country and at different locations. So it's a point. When I came to work on Indology, I was told that you don't talk about Hindi and Sanskrit with foreigners. You tell them that I want to talk to you on Indology, and then they will understand. That is why the English people, when they came here, although we say that they came for a business purpose, East India Company, but they have promoted the Indology to the world at large. And that's why William Jones is considered to be the father of Indology. So along with him, so many other people came. There was one Indian officer from our Indian Army. When he later on joined this Indology Center, he was some name I'm forgetting. So those people have worked so hard on the scriptures, religious scriptures, that they have brought this to the masses. Now in this forum, which we are trying to organize in a scientific way now, with the association of, I must say that Dr. Kundu has taken a very made elaborate arrangements for organizing the function in such a manner which is very technically vibrant. And now here the presence of Dr. Rishira Sharma, who has specialized himself in Vedic management, is here. And on certain occasions, I have been discussing with almost everybody. And even this today morning, I talked to Dr. Virender Sharma, who is a legal expert. He's an expert in criminology, but still he has the ethics considered to be the basic function which the people must understand and they should follow in the business or in the profession. And this ethics is such a subject which must be introduced straight from primary classes to the research studies. And at this study center which we are going to organizing, there are certain people, those who are very, I must mention here that people like, no, there are certain professors which I am not going to take the name. They have been in research on Indology over a period of 30 or 40 years. There was one such professor in Karachi University. He worked for 40 years only on Mahabharata. And on Mahabharata, when he has compiled 6 main volumes, when I studied those volumes, then we could understand that all strategy, whatever strategy we are talking about today, the mother of strategy is the Mahabharata. In Mahabharata, whenever the conflict was started, then there was a fight between Nyaya and Vedanta, and Yoga and Vedanta. Like this, the scriptures have been brought in action on the platform, and they were in the position of demonstrating to the public. And now these things have eliminated in the present scenario. But we must now create a form which should give ethical values to the next generations to come. And I am very happy that people are from a very good university, from Chaudhary Devilal University, Chaudhary Motherhood University, Guru Nanak Dev University, and so many other universities are attached with us. I request all of the professors to inculcate the habit of studying Indology in their basic studies, and please make it a point to discuss with them that the social values should not come down to the level, and the Facebook and those things which we are talking about, those are all certain. They are giving certain things which are opposed by Indology sect of the systems. So we must try now. As far as my area of operations is concerned, I am only a marketing man. I was working with the HMT for about 20 years as a regional accounts officer. Thereafter, I came to education, and I have about 17 years teaching experience in various other institutions. And I was retired as a professor from Guru Kashi University lastly. And now in this forum, I want that a next curriculum, a new curriculum should be made with the help of all the persons which are presently here or which they are working with us, and with them we publish certain books which will be distributed free to the students, so that at the level, at the university level also, there should be some awareness about Indology.
Definitely, sir. Thank you very much. Yes, sir. You were saying something. Sorry.
So, at the end of the session, from my side, with folded hands, I request everybody. I touch with the feet of my Guru, Dr. Sundar Singh Kundu, and Dr. Rishira Sharma,
All are gurus.
Dr. From Punjab University, Sudhir Baweja ji. I am a student of Sudhir Baweja ji, and of course Dr. Kundu and Dr. Sudhir Baweja, they helped me in topping these two courses in the universities also. And presently our association, whatever form it is before you, we have published about 20 books on research and certain 5 books on PhD. Those people, they have been completed PhD under my supervision, and I have guided the army officers. I will take only one name. There are the 4 or 5 generals which have done PhD with me, and one of them I will take only one name, Dr. Ashwini Kumar. General Ashwini Kumar was a person who was working with the Raksha Mantralaya. So he was the general with under whom 8 generals were working of the same cadre, and he was the chief general. He was my student, and he has done PhD on spiritual management. And similarly, now presently, Dr. Taranjeet Singh is my student. He is a general, and he is in Raksha Mantralaya, still working. He has not as yet retired. He is still working. And there are 4 brigadiers who have done PhD under my supervision, and they were so impressed with this Indology and with the religious studies that now they have made they have turned their life to spirituality from Sainiks. Although they are the Sainiks of high grade, but they are thinking that with propitiation of God, everything is possible. And I'm telling you, I'm a student of Vedanta. Vedanta is only giving one notion to the world, that you are the God. You are the part of the God, and you can create anything on this earth. With this motto, we must teach our students and create an atmosphere that everybody should be should consider himself a God.
Thank you very nice thought, sir, that you have given, that everybody can create something.
Thank you very much. There are so many other things. At some other forum we'll speak, but I am very happy that all people have come here all along from Canada and Nepal and other places. And Dr. D.P. Singh has come from England. So whenever he will be visiting us, he is a very helpful person. And he has even offered certain benefits to the association. So whenever he will come, definitely we are going to do we are going to have a base where we can sit and start our office. Thank you very much.
Right, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Rishiraj Sharma ji, you want to say something? I have to make a presentation. So you want to speak before the presentation? Yes. Yes, sure.
Actually, when I have been discussing with Professor Kapil regarding all these aspects, and he had this noble idea to go along with the Indology practices, Vedantic management and Vedas. And since, for the last 15, 16 years, I have been to the area of Vedic management also, and different models have been, done. But one thing which I just want to convey from wholehearted, area here is, rather than just educating the people, we have to put all these things into the character building part and to inculcate these values. So with these ideas inscribed in the mind of the people, like Kapil ji se abhi baat ho rahi thi, so we have to just follow his example, that how much humble he is. Humility is something which is required, and with this humility, shedding all the egos aside, we have to work as a team. Beena ma'am, जब भी आपने जैसे start किया, so with that, the special gestures you had for everyone, that inviting, like you are inviting the people with that smile, और डॉक्टर डीपी सिंह जी ने जैसे किया, तो उस तरह से इस स्पिरिट को मेंटेन करना, because beginning is something we can do with the bang, but then the show only stands when it lasts forever. So
Correct.
my idea here, as you have assigned me the responsibility of being the patron of this organization, I'm so much thankful to everyone for that. But otherwise, I just want to say that when we talk of Swami Vivekanand, when we talk of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, these were all people, who were actually manifestation of God, and we all are. That is why we say Namastute. मैं आपकी स्तुति करता हूं जब आपको नमन करता हूं. Fine. So that God we respect in each other. So this is what we need in this group also, because whenever a group has been formed, as a member of 6-7 groups nationally and internationally, I just want to convey this thing that whenever a group is formed, there is a quest to do something, and that quest should be for excellence. But at times, this quest starts becoming for the status relevant purposes. And what Vedas teaches, that status is not relevant for your power or position, but status is relevant for your responsibility. So here we have to all, vouch, we have to take a swear upon that we are here for some responsibilities to turn over. We have to do something, and with this we can create. Like जब हम बात करते हैं ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश की, तो एक मॉडल मैंने बनाया था just to share for that. We talk of Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, God. So God is generator, operator, and destroyer. So that means with the generation by Brahma, the manager is the Vishnu who preserves us, and destroyer is Shiva. The best thing is they are in trine. And when we say they are in trine, but we say God is one, that means in trine means past, present, and future. The past belongs to Shiva, the present belongs to Vishnu, and future belongs to Brahma. And these all phases are running together. So every time you see Shiva is, thinking about Vishnu, he is worshipping Vishnu, Vishnu is in dhyan of Shiva, and again all of three, they are together in trine. Whenever we say in trine, that means Aaj. So Aaj contains, this is the only Indian philosophy which says Aaj contains Aaj only, the present, and Kal which has to come is Kal, Kal which has gone is also the Kal. That means it is only the present which is going to make. And so let us manifest this thing in our culture, in our, this practice, that we have to do best of these moments. So with these words, I just wanted to give my message to everyone that the humility of Rajendra Kapil ji, the smile and enthusiasm of Bina ji, and the distant relationship from Dr. D.P. Singh ji and Professor Dr. Surinder ji, जिन्होंने एक सूत्रधार की तरह सबको इकट्ठा किया है हमारे साथ, and with the brain manifestation of everyone here, we have to swear upon to give everything. Sanjay Kumar Bahal ji ने बोला कि he is a student, so that sort of humility has to be there. So when he says he is a student, definitely till our last breath, we will be the students. When Satyajit Ray was in coma, he was asked what he is doing. He is saying, I am learning how to die. So that sort of a spirit has to be there, because जब हम बात करते हैं वेदास की, तो वेदास start with one thing, and that is consciousness. So we have to be conscious, and here our consciousness is towards the promotion of not only our group, but the promotion and inculcation of the value of this group. So with these words, mera namaskar sabko, and I invite everyone that we have to go for these forums time and again, and we can present. And definitely one thing which we have to encourage, I'm sorry, just 1 minute I'll take, which we have to encourage is not only the Vartalap or the colloquium, we have to encourage the writing part also, because documentation once made is preserved forever, and cultures are known by the documents they produce. आज हम इंडिया की बात करते हैं. If Rig Veda has not been produced here, if all the 4 Vedas have not been done here, if epics have not been done here, तो आज हम वेदांतिक या इस तरह की philosophy की बात नहीं कर सकते थे. So whatever we say, goes as an energy. Whatever we write is always preserved as a knowledge. So this is what I want to say. So let's start, contributing as an ideological group in form of writings also. This is my humble submission to all of you. और मेरा शत शत नमन और नमस्कार सबको. बीना जी एक बार फिर से आपके लिए, आप दोबारा से अपनी स्माइल के साथ start कीजिए. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, sir. You are absolutely right when you say that humility, a person can evolve only if he is humble, and then he can share it and give it to society. Only that person can do it. Right. So I just want to make a little presentation of our institution. I just hope that I'm able to bring it on the screen. Dr. Kundu sir, could I just make that presentation?
Yeah, madam. Yeah.
Right.
Yes, visible, madam.
It is audible?
Yeah, audible and visible both.
Thank you.
Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal. On behalf of International Indology Education and Research Institution, a very warm welcome to all of you present today. International Indology Education and Research Institute is a platform to promote research activities among students and academicians for proper understanding of the Indian education system and at the same time an understanding of the research patterns amongst postgraduate students and research scholars as per guidelines established by UGC. The mission of IIE-RIC is very clear. It is to create a collaborative space in which one can reflect on all aspects that affect life. Its mission is also to churn out rich, evocative writing, thoughts, and opinions, and also forward-thinking strategies. Teamwork is the ability to work together towards a common vision, the ability to direct individual accomplishments towards organizational objectives. It is a fuel that allows common people to attain uncommon results. Our publications are a matter of pride. IIE-RIC has published books on diverse subjects related to commerce, management, technology, social sciences, art, and literature. IIE-RIC has a strong team of dedicated researchers, thinkers, and writers. We acknowledge with thanks the contribution of most prominent educationists, dignitaries from diverse fields, world-renowned scientists, literary personalities, and social workers for their valuable guidance in bringing out the books. We are grateful to our publishers, Enriched Publications, Arun Publications, Imperial Publications, for timely publication of the books. A step forward, IIE-RIC now wishes to appreciate all those who have been a part of this and to recognize their outstanding performance in achieving a high academic standing and excellence in the field of research. Forging ahead. IIERIC has major future plans and strategies to increase relevance, excellence, raising funds, expansion, so that there is a higher level of collaboration and cooperation nationally and internationally. Creating a large community of research innovative scholars and personalities who can make a difference to society.
Very
Yes,
nice,
sir.
madam. Wonderful. Really wonderful.
Thank you, sir. We really want to work on this now. Coming to the agenda, actually, what was required when we all got together and we were thinking, Kapil sir was thinking about bringing everybody together, is now we want to, there are 2-3 things that we need to be doing on this platform. One is that we need a lot of membership to be joining us, and so that we can expand. That is one. And the second is that we need to create more awareness. So we need social media awareness, like creating a website, etc. And then we want to also award the people who have already contributed so much to this on this platform. So these are our strategies that we want for the future. So what is anybody? Oh, now it is an open. You can speak now. It's open for everybody to just tell us what all that can be done on the expansion level, on the membership level. How do we raise funds to make the institute work even better and come up with more kind of help to be helpful for students and helpful for society at large.
Madam Dr. Kundu here.
Yes.
जैसा कि मैडम ऋषि राज शर्मा जी ने कहा कि हमें कॉन्सेप्चुअलाइज करने के साथ साथ इसको राइटिंग में भी लेकर आना है. I agree with him that we must create documents in form of the books, but in form of the audio and video or the visual part also, so that we can reach to the others. As I wish to aware about this event also. The whole event is being recorded, and I will share this video to you all so that we can share it with the others. Moreover, it has been created live on this YouTube channel also. Some of the part may be under the part of the copyright, it will be deleted. After that, the whole recording is to be placed on YouTube channel, and I will share the link of that. And it is our purpose. I have near about 756 subscribers, and I have been operating this channel for 3 years ago, even more 4 years. It has been established in July 2017. It is the basic purpose that we have to collaborate each and every one, and different field. We will invite different personalities, different persons from different fields. As Dr. D.P. Singh said that we must prepare a platform so that we will join together, and then we can disseminate the information about this Indological concept and aspect. With these words, I thank you all, and I welcome you all that we join hands and we have to create writings. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Any other suggestions that anybody wants to give? Any advice, any suggestions?
I'm Sudhir Baveja.
Right.
I wish to make one just little suggestion. One is that I've been seeing for the last so many years until now, when even this COVID situation, we have been really, it's a kind of a transformative opportunity for us that we should, when it comes to management, we have been, it was more of very cognitive kind of a teaching which we have been really planning. And since I have been teaching from speaking from my experience, the industry kind of an interface is really very, very lacking. And on the part of the teachers also, I feel two things can be done. One is on a very focused faculty development program with the kind of orientation with which we want to have, and workshop kind of models, training programs for students, short term, 2-3 days and 7-8 days for that faculty. So these two-pronged strategy will definitely, and in between we can always have, our association can come up with a two-pronged strategy. This is also going to be reaching out to people, reaching out to the concerned people, and we'll have deeper roots in spreading our own association. I believe these two things, because see the kind of new entrants from these management trainings and management students will also be joined with our association, and faculty also will also be joined us. And I believe definitely that this workshop orientation is very much required in today's management education. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Anybody else who wants to put in a piece of advice or suggestion how that we need to increase our membership?
Yeah, Beena ma'am, good afternoon. First of all, what I believe, there have been, many management lessons from Quran, Gita, Mahabharata, and most of the students, and even as Sudhir ji was saying, even the faculty is not aware of. And once we get involved with Vedas, Upanishads, and the way, if we see the scale in which 18 days of Mahabharata was organized, even today's the big management guru cannot hold the fort in front of those people. So having said that, my submission is that there should be a frequent interaction and more involvement of students and faculty, because you say all these recessions, all these agony, all these egos and other bad omens in the people's life can be shunted away through this Indology, and which is nothing but the Indian ethos and ethics, and of course the CSR, what the government is saying or the industries are applying. At the end of the day, we need good citizens, and good citizens will come through the schools, colleges, and universities. And until unless the students are well versed with the Indian culture, I am afraid the things will move as they are moving now. The dharnas, pradarshans, and fighting each other out, and egos, which are not good, and even in the pandemic we have seen, because people could not save even life with the money. So money, many a time people have not got bed, people have not got the oxygen, people not got the ventilator, people not got the ambulances. So in a nutshell, money at that time becomes useless. It is how the ethics we are, how agreed to the, as Rishi was saying, the Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, the creator, destroyer, and the handler. Yes, it's a right, but now in the Kali Yuga, because all these sermons, Quran, even the Quran says you can't waste anything. You have to utilize even the bit of things which you are putting out. So small things which the students must know. And the big businessmen, once they create recession, they create downsliding, they create inflation. I mean, these lessons of life can always, govern them, guide them, rule them, so that a better tomorrow is seen. Better tomorrow is seen not only for India, but the whole world. So it's not a small thing, it's a big mission. We may have to live at least 10 centuries more to do the things. And Rishi Raj can do the research on that. And still, I was joking with the people that I'm trying to find a methodology where a person in his life, whatever the money he has earned, that money could be, transferred to the account for his next birth. पैसा कमाने का मतलब तो तभी है कि अगर सारा पैसा इकट्ठा करके अगले जन्म में भी काम आ जाए तो
ले जा सकते हैं सर साथ में।
हाँ, वो मैं और ऋषि जी अभी मिलके एक ना फॉर्मूला आप सबको बताएंगे। I'm researching on that.
Oh my God, that would be fantastic for everybody.
इस जन्म का पैसा नेक्स्ट जन्म में किस तरीके से लिया जा सकता है। और मेरा ख्याल है कि अगर उपनिषद वेद वगैरह सभी पढ़ेंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं से कुछ ना कुछ तो पक्का निकल आएगा।
Deeds, I think our good deeds only can carry our money in the next birth.
So, ending on this point, because I know the learned people are there and I have to learn many things. And just like the poet John Keats has said that I have miles to go before I sleep. So life is, I think, कम है. Sometimes I was telling some people कि यार 24 घंटे कम है एक दिन में, ये 48 कर दो या 40 कर दो. वो कहता है जी एक सेकंड भी ज्यादा नहीं किया जा सकता. So that is the beauty, and that beauty we have to live with it. So
thank you very much.
Thank you,
Sanjay.
Thank you.
Rishi Raj Sharma, you want to say something more? You want to add on?
Yeah, just ma'am, because we are actually here talking about Indology Society. So first purpose, as you have already mentioned, that we have to grow as an organization. Dr. Kundu ji bol rahe the ki we have to go for the membership drive. Yes. We have to go for different things because I believe first thing that what can sustain us is very important as an organization. We can discuss the things and we can go ahead with the things, but finally we will only sustain the other things if we sustain our own self, because sustainability is the most relevant point here. So sustainability says that people can be saved, planet can be saved, but only when you save yourself, that charity begins at home. So that profitability has to be there. I don't say it as a profitability here, but it is a money needed for welfare, money needed to steer this group. So for what? And then second thing is, that we have to have a recognition, and this recognition can come here, and it is very important to be recognized. Here is a galaxy of people. Here is galaxy of intellectual. And मैं आप ही की presentation देख रहा था बीना मैम, तो आपने एल्डर जी की वो जो कोट लिखी थी, and he said if God has given you the best gift, if you have a gift to influence people, and I feel everyone here, it's not me, you, or Dr. Bahel ji, or Dr. DP Singh ji, or Dr. Kundu ji, everyone here is an influencer, because पहली बात तो सारे ही टीचर हैं यहाँ पे, और टीचर ना भी होते, everyone is a an institution in himself. कपिल जी ने सबको समेट के इकट्ठा किया है, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. We have to look for the next agenda, and the next agenda is because as a student of the management, I believe in delegation of the things. So the next agenda is to delegate people the different things. अभी workshops की बात करी थी सुधीर जी ने, तो वर्कशॉप इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एजेंडा. देन जो कुंडू जी ने बात करी, to document the things, to record the things. So we have to come out with the periodicals and journals. Now the next form is journal, because why people, when we ask student, let us suppose I ask student to come and join this group, the first thing he will have in his mind is why. This why is the important factor. Because we'll ask him that we are going to inculcate values with you. Okay, fine. Then at the same time, he has to have some add-ons upon it. Because value and character building is fine, everyone understands, but everyone understands it. But practically they believe that this thing can turn out to be them to be better in their performance as far as their aim and ambition is concerned. Because I deal with the placement of the students also. So finally, at the end of the day, I always tell them that you can be better placed if you can communicate well, and you can communicate well only if you empathize with the people. So now I'm joining communication with one value, and that is empathy. Fine. If I say character building, so I have to tell the student that if you build your character, company will recognize you as a loyal asset. Again, that is going to convert into your employment, because see, we are facing the crisis also. We cannot just deny that crisis. We are at a comfortable zone. Fine. We are running our, we are running our businesses or organization, or we are serving somewhere, but we have to think of the future. And the future is, very, very dark side of the future is that brain drain is happening daily from India. The people are going out. And the reason is what? The reason is they're not getting the right opportunity to work. Everyone will want to work over here. No doubt international, these collaborations are not bad, but for our group, we have to focus ourselves. हम सारी बात करेंगे मैक्रो लेवल पे तो बहुत बड़ी बात हो जाएगी. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एट माइक्रो लेवल सबसे पहले हमें इंडोलॉजी ग्रुप की एक स्ट्रैटेजी जो है उसको तैयार करना होगा. जैसे आपने अपना स्ट्रेटेजिक मिशन बताया, जो हमने बुक्स लिखी हैं उनको प्रमोट करना होगा. जो इंसान जिस जगह पे बैठे हैं उनको कोऑर्डिनेट करना पड़ेगा. लाइक इवन इन दिस मीटिंग नाउ वी हैव सीन ईच एंड एवरीवन, बट वी शुड बी शेयरिंग आवर कॉन्टैक्ट्स विद ईच अदर सो दैट वी स्टार्ट कोलैबोरेटिंग. ठीक है, बहल साहब को मैं जानता हूं, ये मुझे जानते हैं, इनके साथ मैं कोलैबोरेट करूंगा, कपिल जी के साथ करूंगा, आपके साथ करूंगा. वी हैव अ डाइवर्स फील्ड, वी हैव टू कोलैबोरेट एंड थिंक ऑफ इवेंट एवरी मंथ. एंड दिस इवेंट, this event has to be promoted at a large scale, because I believe in one thing, that what you do, there was a time when we say early to bed and early to rise makes man healthy, wealthy and wise. But now one more thing has to be added, which Mr. Akshay Kumar has taught us, that is early to bed, early to rise and advertise.
Yes.
And advertise. He says that thing, that I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Otherwise, we were not aware of that thing, That has made him as a brand ambassador of the fitness in the Bollywood world. So we have to say that we have something different. We have something different, because nowadays in India, अगर आप सर्च करो तो शायद 50,000 से ज्यादा सोसाइटीज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चल रही हैं. तो everyone is having their own agenda. The most successful organization in India is Indian Science Congress. तो इंडियन साइंस कांग्रेस इंडियन कॉमर्स एसोसिएशन के साथ स्टार्ट हुई. तो लेकिन आज इंडियन साइंस कांग्रेस सबसे आगे है. So what was the reason behind this success? Then we have American Marketing Association. Association started by 5 people. Now again, they are benchmark leaders in the marketing education. Fine. Research hub in IIT Madras, more popular than IIT Madras. तो कारण ये है कि organizations कुछ देंगे as an output. तो output क्या है हमारा? Journal, periodicals, fine, workshops, and every revenue-based activity also, because we have to sustain. Then second is collaborating with the people. और उन लोगों के साथ कोलैबोरेट करें जो हमारे साथ एक इंसान आए और साथ में 10 को लेके आए as a member. So that has to be there, because if we don't expand, we'll be in a very closed web. I hope I am trying to say something, which looks more ambitious, but what it's my humble submission to everyone that this is my practical experience, that if we don't promote ourselves, if we restrain ourselves, और हम एक वार्तालाप ही न सिर्फ हो जाए, तो पॉलिसी बनाने के बाद उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि हम ग्रो करें. और ग्रोथ के लिए वी हैव टू कोलैबोरेट, वी हैव टू इनवाइट मेंबरशिप्स, एंड फॉर दैट वी नीड आवर प्रमोशन. तो जो कुंडू जी ने बात कही, हमें हर जगह स्ट्राइक करना पड़ेगा. उन्होंने कहा मेरे पास 740 कनेक्शंस हैं. लाइक आई हैव मोर देन 3500 फॉलोअर्स ऑन माय एफबी नेटवर्क. So we have to put all these things over there, number one. Then our journal getting registered. Once we get our journal registered, we have to make some editorial committee. Okay, some research oriented paper into those people into that, then invite publication. फिर हम जब उसको UGC care list में लेके आएंगे, I know that process, how to bring a journal into the care list. So people will start contributing to it. So once people will contribute, the things will automatically grow. So let's go step by step. So let us manifest an agenda of workshop and writing at them. This is just my submission. Else everyone is, very wise over here to understand. Thank you, ma'am.
No, thank you so much, sir. That was very, genuinely correct, because we need to be seen, we need to really sustain, and if we want to spread what we really want to spread into the outer world. Professor Kundu, Dr. Kundu, could you please, should we now close it, or?
Madam Indu Kapil बोलना चाह रहे हैं. Dr. Indu Kapil.
Acha, Dr. Indu Kapil, please come in. Dr. Indu Kapil.
क्योंकि राजेंद्र कपिल जी को तो मौका दिया है, वो तो ले लेते हैं.
Please come, ma'am, please.
क्लोजिंग में यही होनी चाहिए. Dr. Indu, please.
Yes, Doctor.
आवाज सुन रही है मेरी?
हाँ जी, आ रही है.
तो मैं आ रही है जी. बात जोड़ रही हूँ कि गीता में कृष्ण भगवान ने कहा कि ममई वांशो जीव लोके जीव भूतः सनातनः मनः षष्ठानि इंद्रियाणि प्रकृति स्थानि कर्षति, कि ये जीव मेरा ही अंश है. और हम अगर सभी में ईश्वर का अंश देखें या अपने आप में सबको देखें, सबको अपने आप में देखें, ये बड़ी टफ प्रैक्टिस है. तो अगर इसके ऊपर प्रैक्टिस हो जाए तो दूसरा कोई है ही नहीं, हम किसी का बुरा नहीं करेंगे, कोई हमारा बुरा नहीं करेगा. तो ये इतना कहना चाह रही थी. थैंक यू.
Thank you very much, ma'am. That was wonderful. That was wonderful.
जी मैम. Now I request you all that we have to say in collaboration, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashantu, Ma Kaschid Dukh Bhag Bhavet, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you very much to you all. Thanks a lot. And we will meet together in the next workshop. Definitely. I will organize another workshop and you all are welcome today. ऋषिराज जी, मैं आपसे कोलैबोरेट करूंगा और उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हम बातचीत करेंगे. और मैडम बीना जी के साथ भी संपर्क में रहेंगे. और उसके बाद ये वर्कशॉप डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कॉमर्स चौधरी देवलाल यूनिवर्सिटी सिरसा की तरफ से होगी.
जी सर.
कोलैबोरेशन ऑफ IIERC.
Thank you so much, sir. Professor Kundu, that was really a pleasure meeting you. Rishi Raj Sharma ji, pleasure meeting you too. It was wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Share your mobile numbers on the chat box, please.
हाँ जी. तो सर हम आज अपना जो अपना सारा छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स हैं व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में जो हमारा बना उसमें शेयर करते हैं, so that we can discuss the things at a wider platform.
Okay.
तो बीनू मैम जी से बहुत
should I close this meet?
Yes sir. मेरी तरफ से सबको नमस्कार और धन्यवाद.
Thank you everyone. Thank you. Thank you for joining.
डॉक्टर टीपी सिंह जी, उस टाइम ज्यादा अर्ली मॉर्निंग भारत देशवासियों की. जी सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच. डॉक्टर कपिल जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच. डॉक्टर इंदु कपिल, आप दोनों के लिए धन्यवाद ले लें हमारी तरफ से. आप थैंक्स अ लॉट. Please leave this meet.
Right,
thank
sir.
you all, so that I can close it.
Okay.
Because of Bina ji, you conducted it so very well. I really feel like complimenting you for the whole thing.
Thank you so much, Sudeep Baveja ji. Thank you so much. I am actually a communicative, effective communicative skills trainer, so maybe that's why.
मैम सर वो बात नहीं है, आपकी आवाज में भी एक जिसे कहते हैं वो अट्रैक्शन है. You can speak like that. So being a communicator is something else, but that eloquence is there.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Very eloquent. Very eloquent.
शुक्रिया सर.
तो इनको तो टीचर बना ही देना चाहिए.
One parting suggestion I wish to give. One parting suggestion I wish to give is कि इतना कुछ डिस्कस हुआ है, can this be worked in that at least at least somebody like me who joined the very first time and should get a sense of what has been kind of conquered here and what has been discussed here, so that we can take action in the light of
It
what
has
we
been
have
recorded,
discussed.
sir. It has
Thank
been
you.
recorded and it will be put on the YouTube, sir, by Dr. Kundu, sir.
Yes, I will share the link, sir.
Nee,
to you
that's
all.
it. That's it. That's for, but for our association, so that we lift out our kind of suggestions which have come out of it, that can
I
be
will make-
taken up
Yes,
for
sir.
our next.
मैं एग्री करता हूँ इनकी बात से जो सुधीर जी कह रहे हैं आई टोटली एग्री विद हिम तो व्हाट ही वांट्स टू से इज हम इसको यूट्यूब चैनल पे डालें लेकिन साथ में आज की मीटिंग की एक प्रोसीडिंग्स तैयार कर लें मिनट्स ऑफ मीटिंग तो इसके लिए बीना मैम आप मैं खुद और सुरेंद्र जी हम कोऑर्डिनेट करते हैं और एक मिनट्स ऑफ मीटिंग बनाते हैं अगर आप एग्री करते हो
सहमत है सर, बिल्कुल।
बहुत अच्छे
जी
कपिल जी आप हमें बताइए हम इसके मिनट ऑफ मीटिंग तैयार करेंगे और बीना मैम आपके साथ मिलके
हाँ ठीक है
बीना मैम आपको मेरी आवाज पहुंच रही है
या सभी को पहुंच रही है भाई साहब।
जी सर पहुंच रही है एंड
मैं आप और कपिल जी के आशीर्वाद से और सुरेंद्र सर आप हैं यहाँ पे
यस ऑडिबल सर यही हूँ सर मैं
सर वी विल मेक द मिनट्स ऑफ मीटिंग एंड देन वी विल स्टार्ट और इसी को हम पहला चैप्टर बनाएंगे अपने पीरियोडिकल्स में इसी में से लेके
जी
ठीक है सर
ठीक है सर
ओके
राइट सर
थैंक यू सर थैंक यू वेरी मच टू यू
जस्ट
सर बोलना चाह रहे हैं सुधीर
Rishiraj ji, I simply want to give one. When you spoke really very well, but I find that your name should have been Raj Rishi than Rishi Raj, because that's how Janak had been the real epitome of what you call that spiritual management, spiritual leadership. So you probably
ऐसा ही
doing
होना
the
था
same thing.
लेकिन ये
Your
देखिए
name is
जो आपने कहा बिल्कुल सही कहा होना ऐसा ही चाहिए था पर यही कलयुग है सब उल्टा आता है यहाँ पे तो सतयुग होता तो राज ऋषि होता कलयुग है तो ऋषि राज हो गया
ऋषि राज को आपने राजऋषि करना है, राजऋषि करवाना है, ऐसा कह लीजिए। चाहे
मैं
कलयुग को
करवाऊंगा
हमें
सर आपका आशीर्वाद होगा तो ये राज ऋषि ही जाएगा सर मेरे कर्म ऐसा करके जाएं ये आशीर्वाद दीजिए आप मुझे
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल आई एम एब्सोल्युटली विद यू मैं आशीर्वाद नहीं दे रहा हूँ आई एम जॉइनिंग माय हैंड विद यू ऑन द कॉन्ट्रेरी आशीर्वाद दे के तो अलग हो जाता है joining hand is really doing and bringing something at the very ground level. That's my objective for the last 20 years or so. कपिल जी जानते हैं कि मैंने यूनिवर्सिटी में लीडरशिप प्रोग्राम्स शुरू किए हैं।
कपिल जी ने देखिए कपिल जी जब हम नाम लेते हैं कपिल जी तो नाम से ही कपिल ऋषि का नाम आता है दिमाग में तो और इनके पीछे जो इनकी स्ट्रेंथ है इंदु कपिल जी वो गीता की बात करते हैं और आप इनकी सिलेक्शन देखिए ना जिस तरह से इन्होंने सबको इकट्ठा किया है तो जब ऐसे सूत्रधार होंगे तो सारे मोती माला बन जाएंगे तो ये मेरा है और टीना जी हमारे स्पोक्स पर्सन बन ही चुके हैं इनकी आवाज दुनिया के कोने कोने तक पहुंचेगी और अच्छी भी लगेगी
Great.
So we will definitely do it. Thank you.
For being absolutely new and the most desirable kind of agenda. Really, it is, I believe, the need of the hour. एक phrase बड़ा hackneyed है, but I believe this is the need of the hour, especially in the management domain and leadership domain. जो valuelessness जो हो गई है ना, that has to be really revived and removed. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you. And I mean,
जो सबसे बड़ी चीज कपिल जी से मैं चाहूंगा हम सबके अंदर आ जाए परमात्मा करे कि कपिल जी बहुत सिंपल इंसान हैं और इतनी सिंपलिसिटी से इन्होंने ये सब कुछ किया है कपिल जी आप सबको सिखाइए और हमारा मार्गदर्शन कीजिए थैंक यू
थैंक यू वेरी मच थैंक यू वेरी मच
Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you for being organized.
Thank you,
sir. Thanks, Doctor.
आप सभी की सूचना के लिए हमारे यहाँ 70 लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया ऋषि राजेश में
थैंक यू सर थैंक यू सो मच
और टीचर्स थैंक यू वेरी मच टू यू ऑल
थैंक यू जी थैंक यू नमस्कार नमस्कार थैंक यू वेरी मच बहुत अच्छा लगा सबसे मिलकर सबकी बातें सुन के बहुत अच्छा लगा थैंक यू सो मच
सो नाइस ऑफ यू सर थैंक यू आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल प्लीज लीव दिस so that I can close